Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a transparent glass written presentation on a laptop using a webcam and an iPad. This will resemble a lightboard presentation without a physical glass board. I will be writing on the screen of the iPad with an Apple pencil. Hi, I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam, an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. You can learn more about my professional interests from my website www.drakvenkat.com. I have lots of videos on orthopedic procedures, patient reviews, do-it-yourself videos, tech videos on my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. If you have not already seen it, then visit and subscribe. Let's list out what we need. The first thing we need is an iPad. So here I've got an iPad with an Apple pencil. This is a 6th generation iPad and I can write on it. You could also use older iPads with dedicated styluses. Next, you should be able to mirror your iPad screen with the native screen mirroring or a third-party app. I am using an app called Let's View to mirror my iPad to my laptop. Then you will need a laptop and should have downloaded OBS. This is a free screen recording software and is compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux devices. Head over to obsstudio.com and download it. You will need a webcam. You could use the native webcam in your laptop, but since these usually have got poor resolution, you might want to use an external webcam. I am using my Logitech Brio webcam. I will bring together all the sources in OBS. On your iPad, you need a note-taking app in which you can change the page color and font color. I am using a paid app called Notability app to write on it and will add it as a display capture in OBS. I will choose a green and pink colored pen for clarity and brightness. I will key out the green background later in OBS. I will pair my iPad with the laptop. I will share my laptop screen to show the setup and recording procedure. Now, I'll share my laptop screen to show the setup and recording procedure. So let's head over to my laptop. So you're now seeing my screen. I'm recording from OBS. Now you're seeing my laptop screen. I opened OBS and I've got a video source here in front of me. This is a video source. And I've also added a display source now. And also an image source. I'm showing you that now. Now I am going to adjust the size of this display so that it occupies the whole screen. It is basically a note page, Notability app. I am going to downsize it and remove the redundant portions from the edges. So that's my display source. I am going to key out a green in that by adding a chroma key filter. I will add a chroma key filter and increase the similarity. So what I write should be visible on this now. I will erase it. So what I write on the screen with this iPad, Apple Pencil should be visible. So this is the complete setup for the lightboard tutorial on iPad with the OBS hack. I've got to my left side an iPad on which I will be writing, and whenever I write on that, it will appear on this screen. The background is white. You can see my face very clearly. And so now I'm going to start the lightboard tutorial. I'm going to select a pen color, pink, as you can see here. How are you today? This is how it appears. My face is so clear, writing on the glass is appearing in front of you. And so it's a very convenient way of conducting a lightboard tutorial from your laptop itself. You don't have to buy or set up a lightboard which takes up a lot of space. You don't need extra staff. You don't need a lightboard studio, everything. It can be done with an iPad and a laptop. So now I'm going to close this display capture source and speak to you. So you see, that's a very convenient way of recording on iPad a lightboard tutorial. You need to know how to set up a page first in green color in any of the apps, Notability or Pages or Notes or Microsoft Whiteboard. Then you should key it out. Then you should know how to bring in all the display captures into OBS from your iPad, your video capture source, your camera, and an image source which is a background. Once you have it all in your pocket, you can conduct a lightboard tutorial from your laptop itself. So I hope that this video was useful. If you did like this video, consider subscribing to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Share it with your teacher friends. Like this. After subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I upload another video. Stay tuned and I will see you in another video. Cheers.